What's up, guys? It's Nate here with ETI. So I just wanted to say, starting out, we just got this box in. It's the Mark III Dash, so big shout out and thanks to Scott and Sadmir for it. This is a pain in the ass to get cleared through customs. As you can see, there's customs tape and everything else on it, but we finally got it. I just want to point out that if you're shipping me something, it can get damaged in shipping. This is why we pack everything very well. I doubt the dash is damaged, but we're gonna go ahead and open it up. This is kind of the issue you get with international shipping, though, is, it doesn't matter what you do, you use your fancy Home Depot boxes, and this is where it gets you. The dash isn't damaged, but we'll see. Holy shit. All right, basically process for this is I'm gonna take it out, we're gonna take a look, check for any damages. I'll walk you through kind of what the next steps are gonna be with it. And then from there, we're gonna pretty much close up this group buy here in 2 days. So 2 days from me posting this video, we're gonna close up the group buy and get them started, because I think we have 10 pre-orders already. So first thing to note, there's a ton of bubble wrap in here, but there's no bubble wrap on the dash. Maybe customs uninstalled or opened it, did whatever, but that's it. So I don't know if there's anything else in here. We're also not at the shop. We're sitting here in lovely downtown Bangkok, but this will be going to the shop here later. Anyways, so looking in here, this is probably one of the cleanest donor parts I've ever seen. So Scott, definitely good job to you. If you saw our SC300 stuff that literally is broken, one piece is broken in like 8 different spots, this is much easier to work with. So we're gonna remove the actual fabric finish in here first. So we're gonna have to remove the fabric. You don't want to mold over that. We're gonna start getting irregularities and deformities here. So we'll remove this, and then everything's gonna come in. All the tabs in here are looking good. The inner shell here is actually very simple, especially if we compare it to the Mark IV. It comes in, then you have 2 different glove boxes and everything else, so it becomes ridiculous. Scott, again, big thank you. I know we have another box coming in. It's going to have the actual dash display that comes in here. We're going to have radio bezels, so we're going to be able to do some final test fitting. So these tabs that are in here and a couple of the mounting spots, like we have a mounting spot over here. I believe this is a mounting spot back here, 2 of them. These won't be 3D printed, but these we will 3D print mounts that go into it. We'll probably 3D print screws. Same here, or at least we'll put inserts in here as well. And on the inside of the dash, this is where you're gonna have your factory wiring that's gonna bolt in. So we'll go ahead and make sure that there's inserts that are in here for you there. Same thing, so that way we can actually go ahead and have your OEM AC components fit in. So you'll be able to screw those in. Yeah, everything in here is really nice. The dash is actually very straight too, so we won't get like weird warping or bending. So yeah, these will be good. And like I said, the Alcantara finish, we're gonna do a few of them in the Alcantara finish for the guys who did want them. Everything will come out nice. It's gonna be a full black Alcantara, and I may put white stitching on there. I'm not sure yet, but for now, assume it's gonna be all black Alcantara that's gonna go in there. And then after the group buy, if you guys want to do something custom, if you want to do a dash with gray Alcantara, or if you want to even do leather, or you want to have blue stitching, purple stitching, green stitching, diamond bedazzle, whatever it's going to be, let us know. We're going to be able to do that after the group buy. So that should be it. So I'm going to get this all wrapped up. We'll head down to the shop, and then I'll keep you guys updated with future videos. This shouldn't take overly long. Like I said, it'll probably take us about 8 weeks from when we start the mold finished, the initial batches pushed out. There might be an extra week or so for the Alcantara. That's because we don't do the Alcantara ourselves in-house. We pull in a guy that he is just down the road from us. He does some of the best Alcantara work that's here in Bangkok. He'll come in, he's going to do the wrap, make sure everything looks nice for you guys. So pretty much for me, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, and then we'll keep you updated in the group chat as well.